Imposibleng babalikan ko yung dating ako. Imposibleng mapunta ako kung nasan ako ngayon. It's all God's goodness and grace. Yung journey ko is a testament to God's grace and faithfulness. It is not my own skills or abilities that have brought me here, but only by the faithfulness, grace, and mercy of the one who promised to guide me through.
And that's why I'm here. Nandito ako dahil sa Kanya. Nandito ako sharing His goodness. Because of Him. Dahil sa Kanya, I was freed from depression. Dahil sa Kanya, I found what my purpose is. Dahil sa Kanya, nagkaroon ng saysay ang buhay ko. And this is the story of how God changed my life.